Hello my lovely foodie members, welcome back again to my channel. I hope everybody is doing all good. In today's video I share with you this easy banana pancake recipe. It's super easy and trust me, you're going to love the outcome. All you have to do is to trust the process. If you are new to my channel, hello, this is cooking with Efia. This is where I share easy cooking recipes. So if this is what you're looking for, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family. Now let's get started. To begin with this recipe, we're going to be needing evaporated milk. Next, we're going to be needing some melted margarine or butter as well. Sugar, you can use any type of sugar of your choice, and for better flavor and taste I'll be using nutmeg and vanilla essence. Feel free to use any flavor or any natural herbs of your choice. I'll also go in with 2 eggs, and also obviously I'll be using all-purpose flour. Feel free to use plain flour or soft flour for this recipe. Now to my main ingredients, which is the banana. So to begin, I will start by peeling the banana very nicely, and I'll add it to my mini mortar to mash it or to pound it until it's nice and very smooth. You can also use your fork or your blender to blend it and you are good to go, but this also works perfectly fine as well. Alright, so after mashing the banana to get the perfect consistency that I want, I'll transfer it into a clean bowl, and moving forward I'll also crack in 2 eggs. Once that is done, I will stir everything together until all is nice and well incorporated. Alright, so now everything is nice and well combined, so I'll go in with my melted butter. Next, I'll also go in with my vanilla essence, and don't worry, I'm going to be listing everything I use and the quantity as well in the description box for you to check it out. Moving forward, I'll go in with my evaporated milk as well. You can feel free to use any milk of your choice. Let's stir everything together until all is nice and well combined. And once that is done, I'll go ahead and go in with my sugar. You can feel free to use any sweetener of your choice. After mixing everything together as well, I'll then go in with my all-purpose flour. But before you go in with the flour, do make sure you test if everything is just perfect before you can go in with your flour, and you are good to go. So after testing, everything was just perfect, so no need adding in extra vanilla essence or anything else. Okay, so for the flour, I'll be adding it little by little so that I will achieve the perfect results that I'm looking for. Alright, so now let's stir everything very well until all is nice and well incorporated. If you don't have the wicks as well, you can add everything to your blender and blend until everything is nice and well incorporated. It's super easy. If sometimes you feel like using the blender, if you don't want to stress yourself, why not? You can use it and you are good to go. Alright, so now after mixing everything together, this is what we have. It's a little bit thick for me. I really want my pancake to really come out very light but a little bit heavy, so I'll go in with a little bit of water since I was running out of milk. I'll go in with water, and also I'll stir everything together until I achieve the perfect thickness that I want. So at this point it was just perfect. All that is left right now is for us to heat up a frying pan, and we're going to drizzle just a little bit of oil to it as well. You don't need too much when frying pancake. And also I'm going to be frying this on low medium heat until I achieve the perfect crispness or the perfect color that I'm looking for. So let's scoop in a little bit of the butter, and once that is done, I'm going to fry both sides on low medium heat, as I said, for approximately 2 minutes on each side. And once that is done, I'll rotate it for the other side as well, just the way you're seeing it on the screens right now. It's super easy, and trust me, you're going to love the outcome. So this is the first one. As you can see, it turned out super good. As I always say, do trust the process and you're going to love it. Now let's repeat the process until everything is nice and ready. Now whilst that is going on, I want to also use this opportunity to thank you all, my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for your love and support towards this channel. I truly appreciate you all. Alright, so now let's fry on low medium heat. It's very important, as I said, until everything is nice and ready. And so at this point, if you haven't still given this video a thumbs up yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly give this video a thumbs up, and also do share this video to your lovely friends and family so they get to see this amazing and inspiring recipe as well. And also remember that subscribing is free, so if you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, kindly do that, and also do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now as you can see, our pancake is coming together very nicely and just perfect. Let me also know in the comment section what you think about this super easy pancake recipe. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try, and trust me, your kids and the whole family are really going to enjoy it. All you have to do is to trust the process, as I always say. Now all that is left is for us to enjoy ourselves. I enjoyed mine with a simple homemade fruit drink, which I'll be sharing the recipe with you very soon. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try, and I'll be glad in the comment section to read all your amazing comments down below. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this point. Do subscribe for more content like this, and see you in my next one. Bye.